Geneva, located at the foot of the Alps on the shores of Lake Geneva, is one of Europe's most beautiful towns. This city, home to the European headquarters of the United Nations, has a long tradition of tolerance and diversity dating back to the Protestant Reformation. Today, Geneva is a world-class cultural hub with world-class entertainment, top-rated restaurants, and infinite recreational activities. The Jet d'Eau, Geneva's most recognized monument, is the world's tallest water fountain and provides a constant landmark for visiting the city. Geneva's historical old town provides a living glimpse of the past, while the city's more than 30 museums and art galleries, including the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum and the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, reflect the city's rich and dynamic history. Take a lake tour or rest in one of Geneva's major waterfront parks for a change of pace. Also make a point of visiting Geneva's famed Market Street, where you may buy a Swiss watch or just window shop. Whatever your preferences are, Geneva has a broad choice of hotel selections to accommodate your stay, all of them providing excellent service and convenient access to the city's key attractions. Geneva is one of Europe's greenest towns, with over 20 parks in the city center providing endless chances for rest and leisure. During the summer, many people are resting, relaxing, eating, playing, or simply lounging on the grass in parks. Geneva is an excellent starting point for exploring the surrounding region. Whether you prefer boating, hiking, cycling, or the ultimate Switzerland ski vacation, Geneva provides easy access to paradise and several guided tours. Day visits to neighboring towns such as Montreux, Chamonix, and Lausanne are also popular. If you are a fan of Swiss watches, the Patek Philippe Museum is a must-see. The museum displays nearly 500 years of watchmaking history, including the world's first watch. Patek Philippe has been producing some of the world's best timepieces since 1879, and you'll be able to see the growth of their antique wristwatches and pocket watches to what they are today. Geneva's world-famous Lakefront serves as the city's centerpiece, providing year-round activities for leisure and recreation. The Jet d'Eau, which spouts 140 meters into the air, is the world's tallest and symbolizes Geneva's history as a champion in hydraulic power. The promenades along the lake's left and right banks are lined with cafes, parks, street markets, and other attractions ranging from lake cruises to amusement rides and water skiing. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.